Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now let's talk about the reality of life and the purpose of life. Are we going towards success or are we going towards failure and loss? Now Allah has summarized this in a very beautiful surah in the Quran, Surah Al-Asr. And He has set 4 conditions for mankind to come out of loss and be successful. Allah mentions in the Quran, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Allah says, by time. Now the word asr comes from the word asir, which means to squeeze. And the timing of asr is normally towards the end of day, which means the time of asr and the time of day is being squeezed and coming to an end. Just like our life and our time in this dunya is coming to an end and is being squeezed and is coming to an end. Then Allah says, Innal insana lafi khusr. Verily, mankind is in loss. Now for those who know the Arabic grammar, know that Allah has put a lot of emphasis in this ayat. Allah said, Inna al-insan lafi khusr. Indeed, mankind is verily in loss. But except 4 people, except 4 conditions that are found in mankind. Illa alladhina amanu. Except those who have iman. Now what is iman? The most general definition of iman is belief in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, in the day of judgment, in taqdeer and destiny, that all good and bad is from Allah, and in the life after death. Now I want to mention 3 hadith to you that summarizes iman. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, there is no believer from amongst you until I am more beloved to him than his father, than his child, and than all of mankind. This hadith is found in Bukhari and Muslim. Second hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, whoever has 3 things in them has found the sweetness of iman. Number 1, whoever is such that Allah and His Messenger are more beloved to him than everything else. Meaning that they know Allah, they know the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his whole life, his actions, his sunnah, what they've taught them, and they act upon it, they practice it. That's love. When you love someone, you dedicate all your time to them, you dedicate your life to them. So whoever loves Allah and Rasul more than anything else has found the sweetness of iman. Number 2, whoever loves a person only for the sake of Allah. And number 3, whoever hates that he returns to disbelief and kufr after Allah has saved him from it, just like he hates to be put into fire, just like he hates to be thrown into fire. This hadith is also found in Bukhari and Muslim. And the third hadith, that a man asked the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that what is faith? What is iman? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you are happy with your good deeds and saddened by your bad deeds, then you are a believer. So whenever you do a good deed, you find happiness in your heart. It puts a smile on your face. You feel content and peace. And whenever you do a bad deed, you feel guilt. You feel disgust. You are a believer. You have iman in your heart. This hadith is found in Musnad Ahmad, hadith number 21,695. Now, that ticks one of the boxes. The second is wa'amilu salihat, and doing good deeds. What are good deeds? The 5 pillars. There's the 5 pillars of Islam: Salah, Zakat, Sawm, and Hajj, and Umrah, and the other good deeds that are in Islam, and obviously good character and good conduct. So we need to have both of these things in our life. We need to have the rights of Allah and the rights of mankind and His creation. We need to fulfill all the rights of Allah, whatever is fard, wajib, sunnah. We need to fulfill all of that rights of Allah, and we need to fulfill the rights of mankind and creation by being nice to them, having a really good, nice conduct, just the way Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us. Then وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ, and calling each other towards haqq, towards the truth. What is the truth? The truth is Islam, is iman. The truth is Allah, the existence of Allah. The truth is the sunnah and the existence of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So calling people towards Islam, towards deen, calling people towards the sunnah and towards the practices of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When you see someone do a sin, privately go to them and explain to them that, brother and sister, you are doing a evil deed. This will not only harm you in the hereafter, but this will also harm you in this world. Call them towards Islam. Show them the beauty of Islam, the peace of Islam. This is the truth. And what the Wasab is sabr. And call each other, guide each other towards perseverance, towards sabr, towards patience. Now, patience is one thing that we all lack. Whenever we make dua to Allah and we find a delay or we find no response, we have a tantrum, we go into depression, we start saying, I will never make dua again because Allah doesn't accept. Whenever someone passes away, we start beating our chest and screaming. Or we start blaming each other, we start blaming a certain event, we start blaming a person. Or whenever hardship befalls us, we go into depression. We leave our salah, we leave our zakat, we forget about Allah and Rasul. We start blaming each other, we start going towards a different route. So we need to help each other towards sabr. Like Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam did when we lost Yusuf alayhi salam. He had trust in Allah, he carried on praying to Allah. He knew that Allah will one day accept his dua. He knew that Allah will one day give him the reward of his sabr. Because whenever Allah gives you a hardship, it's a test. Allah is seeing how you will react to that hardship, and that will judge your reward. So if we go towards the tantrum side, or go towards the leaving salah and blaming each other, then verily we will fail the test. If we have sabr and we call each other towards sabr, brother, sister, have patience. Allah is testing you right now. We need to pass this test. Then Allah in this world or in the hereafter will give you something way better than whatever He's taken away from you. So inshallah, let's practice upon these 4 conditions and let's save ourselves from loss. Let's go towards success. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.